And at a time when banks are stressed for capital, the RBI has relaxed the Basel III guidelines, making it easier for banks to raise bonds. Bankers say the revised rules will not only reduce the cost of capital for banks, but also reduce the risk for investors. Gopika Gopakumar has that report.
Raising capital has just got easier for banks, with the RBI tweaking the bonds issued under the Basel III guidelines. As part of these changes, RBI has halved the maturity of these bonds to 5 years from 10 years earlier. It has also allowed banks to either convert these bonds into shares or repay a part of the principal amount if the bank makes losses, and thereby its core equity capital falls below the mandated 6.125%. The remaining principal amount can be repaid in future once banks have enough capital. More importantly, bankers say these bonds can now be issued to retail investors as well.
The revised guidelines put out by Reserve Bank of India, I think it's the most welcome, because what they have done is they have fine-tuned the regulations so that it is more or less now converging towards the international standards prescribed for the bond issuances in the international market. I think definitely the issuer should be able to save at least around 50 to 75 basis points on the cost of issuance.
Credit rating agencies, on the other hand, say the changes in Basel norms will reduce the risk in these bonds and improve its rating, although these bonds will continue to be a notch down from corporate credit rating. But these agencies say the demand for these bonds are set to increase.
I think clearly more banks are likely to issue such bonds, primarily because our expectation is that there is an appetite or requirement, I must say, of as much as 1,30,000 crore over the implementation period of the Basel guidelines till March 2019 now, and that requirement will continue to be offset if these instruments are not raised, will have to be met by the equity, which is clearly a costlier option.
Bank of India had raised the first set of Basel III bonds in July this year. Now other banks like IDBI Bank are looking to raise similar bonds either in the domestic or international market. Analysts say this will bring down the quantum of capital that banks have to raise through equity, as debt will now provide a fillip to meet banks' capital requirements. In Mumbai, Gopika Gopakumar.
Time for a break, but don't go anywhere, because Animesh on the other